Hi everybody, it's Nancy K here. Thanks for tuning in. In today's video I want to show you how I colored this bouquet of shamrock. This particular project is a tea bag holder, and I've already done a video on how to make the tea bag holder, so I will put a link to that video down below. And in here, this image is a digital image from PowerPoppy, and I'm using Copic Express It cardstock, which is my preferred paper when coloring with Copics. And as you can see, I've taken a little bit of creative license in using some shades of violet on those blossoms. So let's start coloring. So I've started with 3 shades in the violet range. The lightest, I'm just going to color some of these blossoms. As you can see, I have taken creative license with these, and looking at some Google pictures of shamrocks, it looks like these blossoms are white, and I wanted to add a little bit more color to my project. So I'm using a light, medium, and a dark violet as I go through here, just layering the coloring on and then doing a little bit of blending until I reach my desired effect. Next, I'm going to take a selection of markers in the green and the yellow green. I'll start with a wash in a very light YG marker. This just gives me a base color. Next, I'm going to add green in a light green, medium, and dark. And I'll just start at the center and flick out towards the edges of each shamrock petal, leaving those edges blank. I won't color all the way to the end. This dark marker, I'll just concentrate right at the center of the shamrock. And once that's done, I'll go back and do a little bit of blending with the lighter greens. Next, I'm going to use this fluorescent yellow marker. This might seem unusual, but when I used it on this image, it really seemed to brighten everything up and almost gave a sun-kissed look to the shamrock leaves. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but the end result I was really pleased with. I'm going to take this darkest green and color in the background. There's a few spots in this bunch where the background shows through, and going with a darker green, it'll make those shamrock leaves pop out a little bit. And in doing this, I could see if I missed any other leaves that I neglected to color. Now the final piece, I'm using 3 shades in the earth tones, starting with the lightest and flicking from each edge out to the center. Then I'll use the medium to add a little bit more color, and then the darkest to add some shading, and then go back with my lightest brown to blend things in. That's it for today. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel.